In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy from Alibaba and how you can use Alibaba, how you can find the items that are ready to ship, because whenever you click on an item, as you can see, for example, I'm going to search for gaming task, for example. And as you can see here, guys, when I click on the item, it says here contact supplier. Of course, when you contact the supplier, they are going to send you an offer, and then you accept the offer, and then you pay, they ship the item to you, you add the shipping address, and then they ship the item to you. But what if you want to buy it directly, like at that moment? You can just after you search, for example, for anything, you want to click in the left, as you can see, it says product features. You want to click on ready to ship, and here it will show you only products that are ready to ship, that will be shipped in the next day. Okay, as you can see, now you can see here start order. Now after you find the product that you want to buy, you can just click on start order. Okay, now after you click on start order, you want to select the quantity first. Like the minimum quantity here is 2. Okay, now you need to select the quantity here, as you can see, this plus here 1, 2, so that you will be able to as you can see here, to buy it. If you only select 1, you will not be able to buy it. Of course, there are other sellers who are accepting 1. They can sell 1 piece of the item, like they can sell 1 piece. Okay, this one, the minimum is 2. Now select 2. Let's just search for someone who can sell 1. Okay, you can just see it here. Okay, just scroll down. This one has 50 pieces, the minimum. This one has 1 piece. Okay, let's just go with this one. And if you want to buy this, you just want to click on start order here in the right, start order. Select the one that you want to buy here, as you can see. The price is $2. The shipping is $13. Sometimes you can find free shipping. Just search for other suppliers and then click on start order. I have bought a lot of things from Alibaba, and like you will never find anything similar to these prices in the whole world, not only on other retailers or Amazon or AliExpress. Like Alibaba owns AliExpress. It just on AliExpress you can buy one by one. On Alibaba too, you can buy one by one, but not all sellers can ship one item. Now after that, guys, you want to add here your address. Click on change address or add address here where it says add address, and then you have to enter here address country. If you live in United States, select United States. Address 1, address 2 optional. You have to add address 1, but the second one is optional. State, and enter here the state, for example California. City, Los Angeles. Select type here Los Angeles, and as you can see, okay, now the zip code, you find the zip code of your of Los Angeles. Contact name, I'm sorry, you have to enter here your name, your full name, and here your number. Okay, your number here, and then click submit. Now after you click on submit, you can then pay for the order using any payment method that you want. For example, you can use credit card. Sometimes you will be able to use PayPal, but it's not available here. But don't worry, guys, these sellers are very legit. If something happened, you can always open a dispute and Alibaba will refund you 100%. So there is nothing to worry about. You can buy a lot of quantities if you want. Now enter here your credit card, stuff like that, and then click pay now. And after that, after a few days, you can contact the seller. You can tell him how long you are going to take to ship this item. Okay, and they are going to say, for example, 2 days. After 2 days, you just want to go to your orders. Okay, and after you click on orders, you will find all your orders here, and you will see the tracking number, just like on Amazon and AliExpress. You will find the tracking number. Now I'm using this new account. I bought a lot of items using other accounts. Now you just want to click on orders, and then you will find here the tracking number, and then you can go to 70 track, and then you can start tracking your order until it's arrived in your country. Now enter here the tracking number, and then click track, And that's exactly, guys, how you can buy from Alibaba. This is very easy, guys. There is nothing to worry about. Alibaba is the biggest website in the world. There is nothing to be scared about. If something happened, Alibaba will send your money back to your account. So that's exactly, guys. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works.